All right, let's take a look at this problem. Now, if you happen to have the class calculator, then this problem's just, it's kind of pointless. You just can use this button right here, right? So log, you could pick your base on our calculator, right? So log base 32 of 1/2, right? Let's see what it says. All right, we get -1/5. Done. Okay, so this is kind of a silly question if you have our calculator. But let's go through how I would do it if I don't have our calculator. Okay. So the first thing I would do is I would rewrite it as an exponential using the hook method, right? So we can rewrite this log or convert this log to an exponential by saying 32 to the x power equals 1/2. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite using the same base. You might not have recognized that 32 can be written as 2 to some power, but it is. In fact, it's 2 to the 5th. So if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, right? These two make a 4. These two make a 4. Then we have that extra 2. 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. So the left-hand side can be written as 2 to the 5th raised to the x, okay? And this side can be written as 2 to the -1. So remember, if you have a negative exponent, you move it down to the bottom. So that's how that 2 got into the bottom. It must have been a negative exponent. Now, the operation when you have an exponent on an exponent is multiplication. So you can really just go right away to writing this as 2 to the 5x if you want to skip this step. But I just wanted to make sure everybody understood these are going to multiply because of the exponent on the exponent. Now, they both have a base of 2. So you recall from earlier that you can just cross off the 2's and set the exponents equal to each other. So we're going to go ahead and divide by 5 to both sides. And there you have it, x equals -1/5. So it was, to kind of recap, we've got to rewrite the logarithm as an exponential and then try to express both sides using the same base. In this case, on my problem, using base 2. But it might be something different on your particular problem. All right, you guys, hopefully this helps you out with your number 8. Take care.